Hey everybody, Brian back at Strong Tower with you, functional aging specialist and Z Health movement specialist. Hey, I'm excited to bring you an exercise today. Our programming focus this month at Strong Tower is speed, and speed is important because it builds resilience and it prepares us for day-to-day life. So in the case of bumping into something, stumbling, we need to have fast twitch muscle capability and the ability for our muscles to react quickly and stabilize joints. A great way to develop tissue integrity to safely progress into speed work is actually doing isometrics. So isometrics tend to be really safe, and they help us start to build some endurance and strength in tendons, in this case specifically like patellar and Achilles tendons, specific to the positions that we're going to get in when we're under load. So if we start some skipping movements, some running patterns, and we want to have great tissue integrity, maybe it's jumping eventually, we need to work on position-specific isometrics like this one. So we're going to get under a barbell. We're going to make sure that we have a spot anchored or blocked off so that the bar can actually push into it, and we need to make sure that we're pushing into an immovable object. In this case, it's our rig here. So I'll show you the setup and a couple key points here. So we're going to get barbell on the shoulders. I have the J cup set up here, so I'm setting the bar underneath the J cups. And then I'm going to set up with a forward lean. So I want about a 45-degree forward lean, 30 to 45 degrees in my torso. And I'm going to also find a spot where I can anchor on my back foot, ball of foot, and have the knee slightly bent. We'll talk in a second about why that knee bend's important. From there, I'm driving up with my lead leg, bringing my knee up, my toes up, maintaining a slight pelvic tuck and a slight chin tuck. So I'm doing a 5 or 6 second hold, switching sides. Again, make sure that, ensuring that that back knee is bent, and I'm driving up into that bar. Nice and hard, maybe a 80-90% effort there for 5 or 6 seconds. It's a lot of work. It's a great core exercise. Again, great for building tissue integrity for that lower leg. And the reason that we want that knee bend on the back knee is if we are starting to train some running, some jogging even, we want to make sure that the lower leg, when we push off, if we're working on anything acceleration based, that we're not dropping into a full knee extension on the back leg, because that puts a lot of stress on the Achilles tendon, and that tends to be where injury occurs. So we want to make sure that that back knee stays bent. We're up on the ball of foot, so the heel's up off the floor, and then we're just driving nice and hard for 5 or 6 seconds. I hope you enjoy the exercise tutorial, and we will see you soon if you're training with us.